Hey everybody, Mike here from the Focus Garage, and in today's video we're going to be doing a really simple upgrade that adds a nice visual effect here. We've got a Hyundai Elantra Sport, and what we're going to be doing is upgrading these license plate lights here, which you can see are halogen, to LED replacements. We will have exactly what we use linked in the description below, but as you can see, this car has LED taillights which look awesome, but real kind of dingy yellow license plate lights. So we're going to go ahead and start and show you guys how that's done. First steps is you want to make sure that the car is off and the lights are off so that way you don't have any electricity running to those. So we're going to go ahead and turn the car off and get that started. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start now by opening the trunk. On this particular vehicle, it's very, very easy. You're just going to look here, and pretty much all you want to do is just pry this housing down and out. I've got a variety of trim removal tools that can be seen right here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one that fits and work my way in here and wiggle the bulb out. So that was even easier than expected. If you want to work your way from the middle of the light here, right in there, there's going to be a spring-loaded little push tab, and you can kind of see that I'm tapping on that right there. You just want to push that down while pulling the light out, and then you'll have access to kind of whoop, rip the whole light housing out there. So, unlike most cars where you can just twist the bulb, like turn the bulb to the side and pull back, this car is a little bit different. You can see here there's 4 clips around the outside of this light housing, and they just clip right in here. So what I did with my pry tool is I went around the side, bent the plastic out a little bit, and I was able to slide the whole housing out. So, no big deal there. Once you do that, you pretty much have full access to the stock bulb here. You may need some kind of pliers to get in there to pull it out, but give it a little wiggle, you can grab this bulb out. And once you get that bulb out, you're going to go ahead and want to replace it with your LED bulb. Now the thing with these LED bulbs is they are polarity sensitive, so you're going to want to put it in, test the car to see if the light works, and if it doesn't, you want to take it out and flip that bulb 180 degrees. So don't be freaked out if you plug them in first and they don't work. All you got to do is come back here and flip the bulb around, and then you should be good. So give us a minute here. We're going to go ahead and switch both the lights out, test them that they work, and pop them back in the car. Alright, so like I said, you do want to test that they are working before you put everything back together, because let's be honest, nobody wants to take your car apart twice. So, I'm going to step back a little bit here. You can see now we've got LED taillights and LED license plate lights. I'm going to go ahead and pop them back together and throw it in the housing here, and then we'll show you what it looks like all completed. Alright, and here's what the lights look like with everything completed. I'm very, very pleased with the way this turned out, and I think the owner will be too. As you can see now, the bulbs on the taillights have a nice crisp light that match the license plate lights here. And as you can see now, no more dingy, no more yellow. You've got a very, very nice, bright, crisp, clean light there. That's going to pretty much wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post in the comments down below. If you liked it or you're going to use it on your Elantra Sport, definitely feel free to let us know. This should also work on all current generation Hyundai Elantras. So if you do have a non-sport and you have the halogen bulbs back here, you should be able to follow the same instructions in the video and get the LED look in your car. This is Mike from the Focus Garage, and I'll catch you in the next one.